Hello, my well-wishers. Today we will see geography basic concepts.
Physical geography, human geography. This includes economic geography, social geography, theories like philosophical aspects, geological thought, mapping, cartography, GIS and remote sensing, cosmology, branches of geography based on a systematic approach. Let's start reading. Unit 1, Understanding Earth. What is geography? Why to study geography? Spatial understanding, cultural awareness, shape of the Earth, circumnavigation of Earth, circular horizon, ship's visibility, Bedford level experiment, different times of sunrise and sunset at different locations, shape of other planetary bodies, lunar eclipse during which the circular shadow of the Earth is visible, third shape of the Earth, latitudes and longitudes, longitudes, different lengths of shadows at different locations due to the varying angle of incidence of sunlight, unit for angle measurements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you will enjoy my video.
That's all you'll ever need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny, but it's not very funny right now, and I want it to be.
Watch out your mouth, make yourself clear, we may not believe. No, 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 don't kid yourself. What has been said on earth can be erased. Just getting the flow